This is Vehicle Every Time, and today we're exposing the SUVs you should absolutely avoid in 2025. The SUV market is massive, but not every model is worth your money. Some are plagued by catastrophic transmission failures, oil-guzzling engines, and baffling electrical issues. These aren't just quirks, they're deal-breakers that can turn your dream SUV into a financial nightmare. I'll break down 6 models with a history of letting owners down, backed by real data and owner complaints. Stick around, this could save you thousands. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Jeep Cherokee, specifically the 2014 to 2023 models. At first glance, the Cherokee seems like a solid choice for anyone seeking a rugged, adventurous SUV with a legendary nameplate. Its bold styling and off-road reputation make it an appealing option for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. On paper, it's rugged and capable, but the reality is far less impressive. The 9-speed automatic transmission, which was supposed to deliver smooth performance and better fuel economy, has turned out to be a major headache for owners. Owners report jerky shifting, sudden lurches, and even the vehicle slipping into neutral at highway speeds, a serious safety risk that can leave drivers feeling anxious every time they get behind the wheel. These issues aren't just rare flukes, they're widespread and well documented. Despite multiple recalls and software updates from Jeep, the problems persist, often leading to expensive out-of-warranty repairs that can quickly drain your wallet. Many owners have found themselves making repeated trips to the dealership, only to be told there's no permanent fix. The 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine is another headache, notorious for burning oil at an alarming rate. In severe cases, this can even lead to catastrophic engine failure, leaving owners stranded and facing massive repair bills. Add in a host of electrical gremlins like freezing infotainment screens, malfunctioning backup cameras, and random warning lights, and you've got a recipe for frustration that can make daily driving a chore instead of a pleasure. The Jeep badge is tempting, promising adventure and capability, but the risk of massive repair bills is all too real. What looks like a great deal up front can quickly turn into a financial nightmare. Bargain prices on used Cherokees are more of a warning sign than a deal. There's a reason these SUVs are so affordable on the used market. Many previous owners are eager to move on before the next big repair hits. Unless you love spending your weekends at the mechanic or waiting for a tow truck, it's best to steer clear of the Cherokee. The time and money you'll spend on repairs just isn't worth it. There are far more reliable compact SUVs out there that offer better peace of mind, lower maintenance costs, and a more enjoyable ownership experience. Don't let someone else's problem become yours. Do your research, and don't be swayed by a low price or a famous badge. The Cherokee's trail too often leads straight to the repair shop. For your sanity and your wallet, it's time to move on and look elsewhere. Next up, we have the Ford Explorer, a name that's been a staple in American driveways for decades. It's a familiar sight on highways and in suburban neighborhoods, but unfortunately, its reputation isn't spotless. In fact, the Explorer has become a household name, not just for its popularity, but also for a series of well-documented issues that have left many owners frustrated and disappointed. The 2011 to 2019 models in particular are infamous for a serious problem: exhaust fumes leaking into the cabin. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a genuine safety hazard, as exposure to exhaust gases can lead to headaches, nausea, and even more severe health risks over time. But that's not the only concern. These Explorers are also plagued by unreliable 6-speed transmissions, which can result in rough shifting, unexpected breakdowns, and expensive repairs that catch owners off guard. To make matters worse, the water pumps in these models are known to fail without warning. When they do, they can cause catastrophic engine damage, sometimes requiring a complete engine replacement, a nightmare scenario for any car owner. When Ford introduced the redesigned Explorer in 2020, many hoped the new model would finally put these issues to rest. However, the early 2020 models were quickly hit with a wave of recalls and reports of major mechanical defects, dashing those hopes for a fresh start. The new 10-speed transmission, touted as a technological leap forward, instead brought its own set of problems. Owners reported clunky, unpredictable shifting, and in some cases, total transmission failure, leaving drivers stranded and facing costly repairs. It's no surprise then that Consumer Reports gave the 2020 Explorer its lowest possible reliability rating, warning potential buyers to think twice before signing on the dotted line. Whether you're considering an older Explorer or one of the newer models, you're entering a minefield of potential mechanical and safety problems. The risk is real, and the costs can add up quickly. If you're still set on buying an Explorer, a thorough inspection by a trusted, experienced mechanic is absolutely non-negotiable. It's the only way to avoid inheriting someone else's headaches. Even with a clean bill of health, owning an Explorer can feel like rolling the dice. There's always a chance you'll get stuck with expensive repairs down the road. The good news? There are plenty of safer, more reliable options in the three-row SUV segment that won't keep you up at night worrying about what might go wrong next. So don't let the familiar Ford badge lull you into a false sense of security. When it comes to the Explorer, proceed with extreme caution and consider looking elsewhere for your next family SUV. The Nissan Pathfinder 2013-2020 is a cautionary tale. Nissan's switch to a car-based design brought the infamous CVT transmission, one of the most failure-prone in the industry. Owners report shuddering, hesitation, and sudden transmission failure, often stranding drivers and leading to sky-high repair bills. Even with extended warranties and multiple replacements, the core design flaw remains. The rest of the vehicle is decent, but the CVT overshadows everything. Low resale prices aren't a bargain, they're a red flag. You might save up front, but a single transmission repair can wipe out any savings. If you want a reliable three-row SUV, look elsewhere. The risk is simply too high. Don't gamble on the Pathfinder. Luxury doesn't guarantee reliability. Just ask Land Rover Discovery Sport owners. This entry-level Land Rover looks great, but it's plagued by constant, expensive repairs. Electrical issues are rampant, blacked-out screens, random warning lights, and malfunctioning keyless entry. The Ingenium engines have timing chain and turbocharger problems that can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Even routine maintenance costs a premium. Build quality is inconsistent, with rattles and loose trim undermining the luxury feel. Depreciation is steep because the used market knows the risks. The badge is tempting, but the repair bills are brutal. There are more reliable luxury SUVs from Lexus, Acura, and Genesis. Don't let the Land Rover mystique drain your wallet. The Discovery Sport is a luxury headache. The Dodge Journey, sold from 2009 to 2020, is a relic best left in the past. Outdated design, cheap interior, and ancient technology make it uncompetitive. Safety is a major concern with poor crash test ratings and minimal advanced features. The base engine is underpowered and inefficient, while the V6 is paired with a clunky transmission. Reliability is spotty, with reports of brake, suspension, and electrical issues. Low prices are tempting, but you get what you pay for. An outdated, compromised SUV. There are far better options from Honda, Toyota, or Hyundai for similar money. The Journey's only real quirk is its obsolescence. Don't be fooled by the bargain sticker. This is a journey you don't want to take. Last up, let's talk about the Chevrolet Equinox, a compact SUV that's been a common sight on American roads for years, thanks to its practical size and affordable price tag. But if you're considering a used Equinox, especially the 2010 to 2017 models equipped with the 2.4L four-cylinder engine, there's a major issue you need to know about. These engines have become notorious for burning oil at an alarming rate, far more than what's considered normal for most vehicles in this class. In fact, some owners report having to add a full quart of oil every 1,000 miles just to keep the engine running smoothly. If you don't keep a close eye on the oil level and top it off regularly, you could easily end up with catastrophic engine failure, leaving you stranded and facing a huge repair bill. The cost to fix or replace the engine often exceeds the value of the car itself, making it a financial nightmare for many owners. While GM did offer some limited warranty coverage for this problem, a lot of people still found themselves paying out of pocket for repairs. Later models did see some improvements, but even the early 1.5L turbo engines had their own reliability concerns, so you still need to be cautious. On top of engine issues, the Equinox's interior quality is mediocre, with cheap-feeling materials that wear out quickly, and electrical problems are also fairly common. Even when everything is working as it should, the Equinox just doesn't measure up to its competitors in terms of comfort, refinement, or overall value. If you're still interested in buying a used Equinox, make sure to ask for detailed oil consumption records and get a thorough pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. But with so many other reliable and better-built SUVs available on the used market, it's usually smarter to avoid the risk and look elsewhere for your next vehicle. Ultimately, the Equinox's persistent engine problems and overall lack of quality are deal breakers that make it hard to recommend. There you have it, 6 SUVs to avoid if you value your sanity and your wallet. Do your research, check owner forums, and always get a pre-purchase inspection. Don't buy on impulse. Let a trusted mechanic spot the warning signs. The goal isn't just to buy an SUV, it's to buy a good one. Have you owned any of these? Share your stories in the comments to help others. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vehicle Every Time for more. Thanks for watching.